From his book Elements, Euclid went on to explain some axioms that would help in understanding geometry better. What are axioms, you may ask? The general meaning of an axiom is a statement that is universally true and needs no proof. For example, we all know that most humans have one brain. We just know it's true and must be accepted. Similarly, Euclid assumed that some properties were true and did not have to be proved. He called these truths as axioms. These axioms are not restricted to geometry and can be applicable throughout mathematics. They will help us to prove and understand complex geometry in the upcoming lessons. In this lesson, we will study some of his axioms. The first axiom is, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. What does this mean? Let's understand with an example. Suppose Bob and Rob go to a store and both of them have 5 rupees. Bob buys a pen for 5 rupees and for the same price, Rob buys 2 candies. This means that the cost of one pen is equal to the cost of 2 candies. So if later Rob wants to trade his candies for Bob's pen, he would have to give 2 candies to Bob. This means the value of one pen is equal to the value of 2 candies. In mathematical sense, if a quantity A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A is equal to C. The second axiom states that if equals are added to equals, then wholes are equals. To understand this axiom in a simpler way, imagine if for 5 rupees you get 2 candies and for 7 rupees you get 1 pen. So if you add them together, you will see that for a total of 12 rupees, you will get 2 candies and 1 pen. In the mathematical sense, let's say a quantity A is equal to C and quantity B is equal to D. Then A plus B will be equal to C plus D. The third axiom says that if equals are subtracted from equals, then the remainders are equal. Similar to the second axiom, if a quantity A is equal to C and quantity B is equal to D, then A minus B will be equal to C minus D. We will explain the remaining 4 axioms in the next part of the video.